Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to craft cinema film roll table in Heartopia. So in this spring season, Heartopia has a new event that called Dreamlight Cinematic, and at this event you can get many cool items or cool rewards. One of them is cinema film roll table, and to craft it is very easy. First, just go to your workbench and then tap on the recipe. Tap on recipe of cinema film roll table like this, and make sure you already has this recipe. You can get this recipe from the battle pass, and then after that you need to complete all materials. It needs stone and then ore and then light and shadow material pack, and after that adjust the amount and then just tap on craft and then just tap on hold to continue, and wait a moment. And just like that, your cinema film roll table is ready. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.